Wake up, Harry. Come on, Harry. We gotta go to school. Come on, we gotta teach you about black holes for your science final tomorrow,
What's
Harry.
going on? What?
Come on, one-on-one lessons. All right, Harry. Now tell me what you already know about black holes, so I'll know what to teach you.
Well, they're holes that are black, they're in space, and they suck things into them.
As a matter of fact, Harry, no.
Yeah, I was kind of sleeping during class, so...
All right, first of all, Harry, they don't suck things into them. They just fall into them. Like when I jump up and down, Harry, you don't see anything sucking me down to the earth, Harry. That's not how life works, Harry.
Gosh, Dumbledore, I'm sorry I'm so uneducated.
Don't worry, Harry. Soon you'll know everything there is to know about black holes.
All right, Dumbledore, so how are black holes made?
Well, Harry, black holes are objects of extreme density that form from the collapse of a dying star.
Wow, that's so cool, Dumbledore. How does a star collapse?
Well, for most of a star's life, gravity and pressure are playing a game of tug-of-war. But it remains even on both sides, keeping the star stable. But once the star runs out of nuclear fuel, then the gravity takes the lead over the pressure, and the core of the star gets smushed.
Wow, how long before a star runs out of nuclear fuel, Dumbledore?
Well, at the end of their life cycle, they would either turn into a white dwarf or cause supernova. And if the remaining core is more than 2.5 times the mass of the sun, then it will become a black hole. And that's only if the star's mass is 20 times the mass of the sun.
Wow, that's really neat, Dumbledore.
It sure is, Harry. Something else to remember on your science final will be the 3 types of black holes.
What? There are 3? You're blowing my mind, Dumbledore.
Right, Harry, you got stellar black holes, intermediate black holes, and supermassive black holes.
You know, I actually bet that supermassive black hole is actually the smallest one, huh, Dumbledore?
Once again, Harry, you're completely wrong. Look, stellar black holes are extremely compact, so they're the smallest of the bunch.
Do you know how many are in the galaxy?
Don't worry, Harry. It's only a few 100 million, so it's not that much. I'll have a coffee.
Yeah, sure thing, dude.
As for intermediate black holes, we don't know much about them other than the fact that they are the medium size, Harry. Supermassive black holes, on the other hand, are the largest and are at the center of the galaxy.
Wow, Dumbledore, that sure is cool, but what about what you said earlier about how black holes don't suck things? What'd you mean by that?
Well, to understand that, Harry, I'll have to teach you about Einstein's general theory of relativity.
Theory of relativity? Wow, what's that, Dumbledore?
Well, you remember who Sir Isaac Newton is, right?
Yeah, he taught everyone that gravity pushes things to the ground when an apple fell on his head, right, Dumbledore?
That's right, Harry, but even he wasn't satisfied with that theory of everything being pushed.
He wasn't satisfied.
Albert Einstein claimed that Sir Isaac Newton was actually wrong. That's why he came up with the theory that everything was being pulled to the ground, not pushed.
Professor Dumbledore, you actually have a point. I mean, when I pick up this rock and drop it, what's pushing it to the ground? It's being pulled.
That's right, Harry. Now you're asking the right questions. What I'm about to tell you was actually Einstein's happiest moment in his life.
Wow, what did he see?
Well, he saw some guy working on the roof and then he fell and he laughed.
Well, it makes sense that he laughed. It's hilarious.
Okay, well, jokes aside, Harry, he liked it because that man was experiencing zero gravity when he was falling.
Zero gravity? Wow, what do you mean, Dumbledore?
Alright, well, let's put it this way. Imagine you're in an elevator and someone cuts the cord and you fall with the elevator, but the elevator is falling with you. You're technically weightless inside the elevator. Hence, you aren't experiencing your own weight.
Oh, I think I get it.
You see, the Earth goes around on its own because the sun's great amount of mass warps space and time to create a valley.
Wow, like a bowl?
Exactly.
And if a black hole has 20 times the mass of the sun, that makes it more powerful than the sun, doesn't it, Dumbledore?
That's exactly right, Harry. It's so powerful that not even light can escape it.
Well, what happens if I'm pulled into a black hole, Dumbledore?
Well, you'd be dead before you hit the event horizon. It would kill you so fast you won't even feel it. But after that, your body is stretched out for eternity in a process called spaghettification.
Gee golly gosh, Dumbledore, that sounds terrible.
It happens because the singularity would start pulling you right as you're fed through the hole.
Well, gosh, Dumbledore, is it possible to escape from a black hole?
You could always just travel faster than the speed of light.
Like in Star Wars?
That's right, Harry, like in Star Wars.
Is that even possible?
We aren't even close to going that fast, so not at this time, and probably not in our lifetime.
What does a black hole even look like? Is it just black?
As a matter of fact, earlier this year, NASA snapped a picture using the Event Horizon Telescope of a black hole.
Well, how come it took them so long to get the picture?
Well, black holes are hard to see in general, so the only way we can figure out where they are is by the amount of gas and particles surrounding them. Also, we believe tiny black holes actually formed during the Big Bang. They believe it's because the rapid expanding universe squeezed regions into tiny dense black holes.
Well, that's all really interesting, Dumbledore, but what would happen if the Earth was sucked into a black hole?
Well, as you know, Harry, a black hole is much denser than our sun, which means it bends space, so if one magically appeared near Earth, then Earth would go through the spaghettification process.
How fast would we fall into it, though?
We probably wouldn't notice since it would happen so fast.
Would that wipe out the human race?
Yes, but I wouldn't worry about that.
How do you know a black hole won't appear near Earth?
We don't.
Oh, God.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Really?
Sure, Harry, why not?
Hey, wait up, you didn't pay.
Alright, Harry, good luck. You're gonna do great on that final science exam.